Hi everybody, support me by subscribing to the channel. By click the subscribe button and then click the ring button. Stay with me because I am gonna be always with you. Everyone, how is it going? I am good, and you? So today's sentence is كيف حالك؟ كيف حالك? For a male, if you are talking to a male person, to a man, you said كيف حالك. If you are talking to a female or to a woman, you should say كيف حالك. كيف حالك. كيف حالك and كيف حالك means how are you? How are you? Or how is it going? Or what's up? What's up? Yeah. So, again, how are you? Or what's up? Or how is it going? In Arabic, for a male, كيف حالك. For a female, كيف حالك. For a male, كيف حالك. For a female, كيف حالك. So that means, how are you? How is it going? What's up? See you in the next word. Bye bye. Hi everybody, support me by subscribing to the channel. By click the subscribe button and then click the ring button. Stay with me because I am gonna be always with you.